Hey, what's up guys? It's Connor Smith from Connor Markets, and if you've watched the YouTube trailer to this channel, you'll understand a little bit more about who I am and what I'm trying to do by helping millions of people across the world shortcut the learning curve to actually getting results with things like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-com, all these different channels and methodologies of making money online. So in this video today, I'm going to be covering a little bit more about what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, first off, is my primary focus. It's the thing that currently, through things like the Inbound Commission Project and a bunch of other companies that I've either co-founded or have profit sharing and equity in, or something that I founded myself, I'm trying to help people learn this stuff the solid way. And so I'm not trying to monetize this shit. If I was, I wouldn't have said shit right there, because YouTube doesn't allow people to make money off of videos that they swear in. I'm here for absolutely free to provide value to you guys the entire way through. But let's jump right into it, because I want to provide concise, jam-packed content and value to you guys in every single one of my videos. In this one, we're going to be talking about what the heck is affiliate marketing. There's a bunch of different things out there like fulfillment by Amazon, eBay affiliates, drop shipping, Shopify, e-commerce, WordPress websites, Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, all these different moving parts and pieces that come together to digital online businesses, but you guys really got to understand what sector you want to get into. Affiliate marketing, thus the reason that I help people get into it first in their journey in digital marketing, is actually the quickest turnaround time out of any of the other ones. With things like Shopify, for example, you have to first set up your brand, your social media accounts, get followers, set up your store, find a product that you want to promote or create one yourself, plug those in, and then attempt to drive traffic from those social outlets over to that website where the cash is then generated. But the issue with that is that it could take weeks, even up to a month and a half on average, for anybody to turn around an actual return on investment, ROI, from all of the time, energy, and effort that you're putting into that venture, because it takes so long. Not only that, there's an issue with Shopify and e-commerce and all these different other sectors where, for beginners that don't have a lot of money, which is a majority of the guys that are trying to look up this video or other ones like it and learn how to make money online, they don't have a lot of capital, liquid capital, meaning cash in your pocket to be leveraging toward things like the overhead, meaning cost, the ad spend of outlets like Facebook ads or free solo marketing, which is where you go and buy a solo ad, which is paying somebody to use their email list of already targeted buyers to send those people as traffic over to your offer or Shopify store, e-commerce store, whatever. And for going that route as a beginner, people get stuck extremely quickly because they don't have the money to be consistently spending thousands of dollars every single week, potentially, depending on the size and scale of your store, how competitive your market is, and all these different factors, to be pushing enough traffic through to their store to be making the money, the returns. It's a bidding platform. Facebook ads operates off of a bidding sense where the top marketers in that niche, meaning industry, so if your product is a golf club or something, you need to be outbidding every other person trying to sell golf clubs in your space in order to be the guy that's getting that traffic to your store. And when there's so many people trying to sell the same thing, that gets expensive really quickly. The reason that I suggest affiliate marketing is because with affiliate marketing, you can get in, find a product, and make sales the exact same day, but that's only if you know how to properly sell. So throughout this channel, I'm gonna be dropping tons of free value that'll help all of you guys shortcut that learning curve, go straight to where I'm at with my knowledge, and execute results consistently. And throughout that process, I think you're gonna find that it's a lot easier than you think, but it sure as hell isn't if you're learning the hard way, going through 2.5 years of eating shit like I did, trying to learn all of this content. I took 2 years to make my first commission, but I didn't quit, did I? And that's why I'm here today with all of the strategies that will work for making you guys money online through the affiliate marketing space. Affiliate marketing having the quickest turnaround times from being able to buy into a product or find a free one on the major marketplaces like clickbank.com or jvzoo.com. Those are 2 places you can go to find millions of free affiliate products to then go out and try to promote. Or you can go into higher ticket ones, where you go into high ticket, meaning high price products with a higher commission percentage, and then try to sell those. Typically, these higher cost products will have pre-built, done-for-you sales systems that will allow you to go into it. However, that will also bring an associated cost with starting up with that product, because they have to pay their hosting and domain and management and customer support and servers to be holding up those sales websites for you to then utilize with your personalized affiliate code. As an affiliate marketer selling somebody else's product for commission online, you get what's called an affiliate code at the end of that product. So it might be like mygolfclub.com/AFF equals affiliate equals 19725. or whatever your number might be, right? And that means that every sale that comes through that link is going to give you that commission because affiliate, whatever the hell, is the guy that brought that sale. So throughout the duration of me popping these videos out onto YouTube for you guys for absolutely free of charge, I will never ask you to pay me or send me money for any of this content, even though it's thousands of dollars worth of stuff. I've charged people consistently $1,500 for 1 hour of my time to learn this stuff, sharing my screen over Skype, going click by click through that entire process. But I'm here on YouTube now, taking it from Facebook, where my initial following was built, and Instagram as well, and starting to distribute my information to everybody worldwide free of charge. And so I'm here to bring value, guys, and I hope that you guys can reciprocate that with just a little bit of engagement. Drop a like, share this video, comment your thoughts, because I truly do want to know what you guys are stuck on so that I can then make videos around solving those issues for you guys so that you guys can be more successful within the YouTube space. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very, very excited to get into all these different things with affiliate marketing. Why pick a high ticket, high price offer versus a low ticket one? Why to go over into one with a marketing system that's pre-built versus finding a free offer on ClickBank or jvzoo.com and then trying to figure out how to build things like a landing page, a one-page website that scrolls vertically with a CTA button, meaning a call to action button at the bottom that's designed to convert that lead or prospect, interchangeable terms for potential customer or client, into a sale. All of these fancy vocabulary terms we will break down for you guys, but for now, I just kind of want to lay the land of expectations so that when you watch these videos, you're coming into it with an educated mindset that can comprehend and process the advice that I'm giving in order to go hit the ground running and make these sales. Thank you guys so much. It's Connor Smith from Connor Markets again. Check out the channel trailer if you haven't already so you know a little bit more about who I am and why the hell you should be listening to me on this stuff, and I will catch you all soon in the next video. Thanks.